When performing characterization of glass fiber cross-sections, images can pose unique challenges, including unclear boundaries, charging, uneven surfaces due to sample preparation, or varying contrast. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would measure the fiber diameter and record the result. This manual process was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect and measure the fiber cross-sections. You may notice that we are eliminating any fibers that are touching the border of the image. This is because we don't want to measure partial fibers. In this recipe, we're also measuring the eccentricity of the cross-sections. Once the fibers have been identified, it's relatively straightforward to then measure their size and produce a report from the measurements. The same analysis can also be performed in batch. Let's have a look at the batch processor. As we apply the recipe, we are now able to see the results of the entire dataset. For users who need even greater accuracy, MIPAR also gives the ability to perform rapid corrections and have those corrections processed. From here, we can perform the same measurements and also generate a report of the cumulative results.